I built this trail back in 2018, but just got it cleaned up for the season. It's so exciting, and I'm so glad that E-Motos allow us to ride these things in our yard like this. Now I'll take you for a quick walk around the track and you can get an idea of the layout. So it starts going across my driveway. It's a real fast section. Then we bomb down the hill here. This is a technical section into a hard right across a rutty back kind of open area, and then back up the yard again where you can repeat the lap or go out onto the deck for any repairs. Thanks for watching.